Today's topic is World Wide Web, commonly known as WWW or Triple W, W3, also called as Web. The WWW is a way of exchanging information between computers on the internet. The World Wide Web is the internet of pages of images, text, and sounds on the internet which can be viewed using browser software. WWW is a large scale online store of information. It is a system of creating, organizing, and linking of documents. Information is stored on WWW as a collection of documents that are interconnected with each other via links. The interconnected documents may be located one or more than one computer worldwide, thus the name World Wide Web. The documents on the page is called a web page, identified by a unique address called URL. URL commonly referred to as a web address. URL is the address on the internet at which the web pages resides. The user uses this address to get a web page from the internet. The WWW consists of worldwide collection of electronic documents called web pages. A website is a collection of related web pages and associated items. The web server is a computer that delivers requested web pages to your computer. Web 2.0 refers to a website that provides a means for user to interact. A web browser or browser allows user to access web pages and Web 2.0 programs such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Safari, Google Chrome. Next comes history. History of WWW. 1989 to 1990, Tim Berners-Lee invents the World Wide Web at curl, means for transferring text and graphics simultaneously. Lots of previous attempts, client or server data transfer protocol, established a common language for sharing information on computer. It is published in 1992. Text markup languages are not invented by Berners-Lee. It is very simple and easy to use. Next is the structure of WWW. Clients use browsers applications to send URLs via HTTP to servers requesting a web page. Web pages constructed using HTML or other markup languages and consist of text, graphics, sounds, plus embedded files. Servers or cache respond with requested web pages or with error pages. Client's browser renders web page written by server. The page is written using HTML, that is hypertext markup language, or displaying text, graphics, and sound in browser, or writing data as well. The entire system runs over standard networking protocol called TCP/IP or DSN, etc. Next is the components used in WWW. There are two types of components, structural components and schematic components. Structural components are clients or browsers. It is used to dominate implementation. Servers run on sophisticated hardware. Cache, many interesting implementations. Internet, the global infrastructure which facilitates data transfer. Schematic components, hypertext transfer protocol HTTP, hypertext markup language HTML, extensible markup language XML, uniform resource identifier URL. The hypertext concept, that is, hypertext is a text which contains links to other text. The term was coined by Led Nelson around 1965. The hypermedia concept. Hypermedia is a term used for hypertext which is not constrained to be text. It can include graphics, videos, and sounds. Next comes web fundamentals. Web fundamentals. World Wide Web, web browser, web server, and uniform resource locator. WWW. It is a global hypertext network of millions of web servers and browsers. It is connected by Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP). Web pages can be designed by hypertext markup languages HTML. Web browser. A web browser displays a web document and enables user to access web documents. Web server. Servers respond with requested web pages or with error messages. Uniform resource locator. These are the web address. We type URL in address bar of the browser, then hit on enter, then URL request a web page to the web server. These are the web address, the resource located in an addressing system. Next, how to create a web page. There are two basic steps required to make a web page. First is create an HTML file. After that, upload that file to the server. How to access the web? To access the web, we have to follow these steps. Open your web browser, write the address in the address bar, hit the enter key or click on the go button. Web pages are generally set of text files coded with special notation called Hypertext Markup Language (HTML) that is interpreted by a web browser program reading the file. Next is the difference between the World Wide Web and the Internet. Which came first, Internet or WWW? The Internet came first. Internet and WWW are two different concepts. Internet is a global computer network made up of thousands of computers and computer networks. WWW is a system that interlink via internet. Internet is a global system of interconnecting computer networks, massive network of internets. These computers communicate with each other using a common protocol that is TCP/IP. World Wide Web. World Wide Web is one of the services that run on internet. WWW is a system of interlinked hypertext document accessed via internet. The way of accessing it is a way of accessing the information. The main difference between WWW and internet is many people use the terms internet and World Wide Web, but in fact the two terms are not synonyms. The internet and the web are two separate but related things. The internet is a massive network of networks. It connects millions of computers together globally, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer. Any other computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are both connected to the internet. The World Wide Web or simply web is a way of accessing information over the medium of the internet. So the web is just a portion of the internet, a large portion, but the two terms are not synonyms and should not be confused. Next, the two types of search tools. The two types of search tools are search engine and search directory. The search engine finds information related to the specific topic, where a search directory classifies web pages in an organized set of categories. Here shows the widely used search tools. These are the widely used search tools. The search engine is helpful by using this images, videos, audio, news, maps, blogs, people's or business. These are the types of websites. There are 13 types of websites like portal, news, informational, business or marketing, blogs, wiki, online social network, educational, entertainment, advisory, web application, content aggregator, persona. The World Wide Web. It can use to plan a website, analyze and design a website. It can also use to create a website. It develops a website. It maintains a website. Web publishing is the development and maintenance of the web pages. Thank you.